Assalamu alaikum. In our earlier video about linear regression, we have learned how one dependent variable depends on independent variable. But in real life, outcomes usually depend on many factors, not just one. Like price of a product depends on many factors. In this case, we use multiple linear regression, and the model is this, where y is dependent variable, a is intercept, Bn is regression coefficient. Each coefficient tells us how much y changes when the variable increases by 1 unit, while keeping other variables constant. Xn is independent variables. Let's dive an example to know in detail. Suppose a company wants to predict a salary based on education level and year of experience. For that, they collect this data. Since there are two independent variables, so our regression model becomes y equal to a plus b on x plus b to x. Now you have to calculate slope or starting point a and regression coefficient b1 and b2. For that, we multiply this equation with summation x1 and summation x2 respectively. So we get these three equations. To input values, we calculate this table. Now we input our calculated values. After solving these three equations, we get a equal to 10, b1 equal to 10 and b2 equal to 5. For that, our final multiple linear regression become y equal to 10 plus 10x1 plus 5x2. Suppose year of experience 5 and education level 4. So salary will be 80,000. So we can conclude that multiple linear regression is a statistical method used to study the relationship between one dependent variable and two or more independent variables. Thank you for watching.